Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palim Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pullimandu.
Chairman Dhanse Karan. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sivkumar from Ropes Organization. So today in 10th class in coordinate geometry, chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, see, in coordinate geometry, now we'll see in this one how to find the distance. In this one, how to find the distance? In the exercise 7.1, find the distance between the following pair of points they given. In this first one, they given find the distance 2, 3 and 4, 1. We know the distance formula. See, distance. Now we will take x1, y1, x2, y2. Now let us take, this is A, this is B point. Now AB distance. See, AB bar is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So by using this one, 4 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square in the square root of. Okay, right. Now square root of 4 minus 1, 3 square, minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square. That 3 square 9, 2 square 4. That is equal to root 13 units. Root 13 units. This is the distance between A and B. Okay, so this one. Next, if we see second one, in the second one, minus 5, 7 and minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Now directly see minus 1, minus of minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. In this one, see, root minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 5 minus 1, 4 square. This is minus 4 square. That is equal to 4 square 16 minus 4 square also 16. That is equal to root 32 units. 32 units. Similarly, we can find third one also. Now fourth one is important. Now if you go to fourth one, in this one see A, B and minus A, minus B they given. So the distance between these two, minus A, here minus A whole square plus minus B whole square. That's we can write root of minus 2A whole square plus minus 2B whole square. That is equal to square root of 4A square plus 4B square. That's we can write root 4 into A square root of A square in A square plus B square. Okay, so square root of 4 is 2. 2 into root A square plus B square. This is the units. This is the distance between the A, B and minus A, minus B. So this is the way how to find the distance between the 2 points. It is IMP. It is important. Okay, right. Next, see distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. see here we learned distance from origin. We learned this. What is square root of x1 square plus y1 square? Like this. This is the 0. That's we can write. See, this is the second one. In this one, see 36 square plus 15 square. 36 square we can write 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 3s are 6 3s are 18 plus 3 2 1 6. Next 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 6 and 9 and 2 1 1926. Square root of 1926 plus 15 square 225. That's directly, see here 6 plus 5 11 and 3 plus 2 5 and 2 plus 9 11. So 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 5 plus 6 11, 3 plus 2 5. Here 5 2 plus 9 11. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. So this is the distance between the 2 points from the origin. Okay, right. Next here say another one. See, if the 3 points, verify that the points 1 comma 5 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 1 are కోలినియర్ అన్నప్పుడు మనము దీన్ని ఎలా తీసుకోవాలంటే, ఎప్పుడైతే మన కోలినియర్ అంటాడో ఆ కోలినియర్ అన్నప్పుడు మనము దాన్ని 3 పాయింట్స్ ని ఏ బి సి అనే పాయింట్స్ గా తీసుకొని థర్డ్ వన్ ఈ థర్డ్ లో మనకి పాయింట్స్ 1,5 and here points 1,5 2,3 minus 2, minus 1 2,3 minus 2, minus 1 ఇచ్చాడు 1,5 third question. Okay, 7.1 third question 1,5 2,3 minus 2, minus 1 they given. Now we have to take, it is point A, it is point B, it is point C, like that we have to take. Okay, now it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, like this we have to take. Okay, now we have to find AB distance. AB distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, then 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay, that's we can write minus 2 minus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. That's we can write 1 plus 4 root 5 units. What is? It is AB distance. Now BC distance root of x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Here x3 is minus 2, here x2 is 2, minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. That's we can write minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. From this 4 square 16 plus 16 that is equal to root 32 units. That's again we can write as 4 root 2 units. 4 root 2 units. What is BC? Now CA distance. CA bar is equal to root of x1 minus x3 whole square plus y1 minus y3 whole square. From this, here x1 is 1 minus 2 is the x3. So we can write 1 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 1. 5 minus of minus 1 whole square. Okay, right. See, 1 minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. Okay. See, 1 plus 2, 3 square plus 5 plus 1, 6 square. 3 square value 9, 6 square value 36. Then 36 plus 9, 45. 45 units. This one we can write root 9 into root 5. Then see 3 root 5 units. 3 root 5 units. Okay, this is CA distance. CA distance. See, it is CA distance, it is BC distance, it is CA distance, it is AB distance. If we observe this one, here if we add, this is the different. These two are getting same. Okay, so this one, it is the difference. So here, if we add this one, it is not coming. So here, AB plus BC is not equal to CA. So A, B, C are not collinear points. Okay, this is the method how to find whether the given points are collinear points or not. Okay, so if you understand this one, please like and share this video. Thank you everyone.